Good morning, students. We shall start new chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. You know expressions. In the earlier classes, you have studied expressions are 2x plus 3, 5y plus z plus 6, 4x, 4y minus 3z and so on. These are the expressions you have studied in the earlier classes. This expression is formed by variables and constants. Now the words variable means a, b, c, 2, x, y, z, and constant means the numbers, the rational numbers. Combining together are as expressions. For example, this 2x plus 3 is formed by the variable x and constants 2 and 3 are the constants there, and x is the variable. So like this you can find out, you can form the expressions. And for x is equal to 1, you get the value of 2x plus 3, that is 2 into 1, value of x is 1 plus 3 as it is. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, a equal to 5. So for x is equal to 1, the value for x is equal to 1, the value of 2x plus 3 is 5. So for x is equal to 2, you will get another value. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. X is equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So you will get the different values for different variables. Variable means that is not constant. Its value is changing. As you want, you can take the value of the variable. Now, how will you represent on number line? Number line and expressions. In the rational number, we have represented the rational numbers on the number line. For example, how will represent, say, this 2x plus 3 on number line? Now, variable is x. So, this is number line. We don't know the value of x. Suppose if we start from any point, say A, and if we consider this B, this distance as x. This is x distance. Then the same distance will be there, BC, same distance. So this is x and x. This will becomes from A to x, 2x. 2x becomes, the AC becomes 2x. And this is the constant. So wherever you want, because we are not taking here unit, so this D is 3. So AB will be equal to AB plus BC plus C. Now AB is x, BC is also x, and CD is 3. So it will be 2x plus 3. Likewise, you can minus 3 if you want, 2x minus 3, then A to B x, B to C, again x, and this distance we will come backward in the back direction. So somewhere the point D will be here, and then we can see this somewhere it will come. So it is unknown. That's why whatever the distance, unit distance you can take. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, half centimeter you can take. Okay. So this is the number line. We can on number line we can represent any algebraic expression. These expressions which we have studied now, 2x plus 3, 5y plus 6, 4y minus 3z, all these are expressions are algebraic expressions because they are formed by variables and constants. Now second example, show 3x minus 2 on number line. Draw number line. Start from somewhere. So this point is B. We want 3x, means 3 times x. So say this AB, this distance is x. BC, this distance is also x. And CD, this distance is also x. So A to D is 3x. Now minus 2, if plus 2 then we will go to this side. Now minus 2, so come to this side. So we can say E, this distance is 2. So we can say AE is equal to AB plus BC plus CD minus D. Now this AB is x. This is also x, this is also x, and this is 2. So it is 3x minus 2. So the point D represents from A 3x minus 2. Now the next part is terms, factors, and coefficients. For example, 7AB minus 5. How many terms are there? Terms will be 7AB, one term, and another term is minus 5C. We have write it sign also. If it is plus 5C, no need to write plus, but it is minus 5C, so it is plus minus 5C. That's why it is minus 5C. These are the terms. Then what are the factors? Factors of 7AB is equal to 7 into A into B. And minus 5C, its factors are minus 5 into C. These are the factors. These are the terms and its factors. Now, what are the coefficients? We are having 2 terms. In both terms, we are having the coefficients. The first term, coefficient is 7. First term. And in the second term, C, variable is C. So, minus 5C. Minus 5 is the coefficient. So this is the terms and coefficients. Now we shall see the algebraic expression and its type. Let us 7x. It is having only one term. So it is called monomial. An algebraic expression contains only one term. It is called monomial. One term, monomial. And algebraic expression contains only one term. is called monomial. For another example, you can write 3xyz, only one term. 3 into x into y into z. 3 variables, but term is one. 5a square plus 5a square, only one term, 5 into a square. Then 3 by 2 y z. This is also monomial because only one term. When one term, then monomial. Then another example. 2x plus 3y. It has two terms. So it is called binomial. Bi means two. Bi means two. Binomial. An algebraic expression contains two terms. It's called binomial. An algebraic expression contains two terms. It's called binomial. Another examples: a plus b, 2c minus 1 by 2d, only two terms. 3xy z plus 5yz, two different terms. We can say here two different terms. For example, 3a plus 7a, it is not a binomial. Why it is not binomial? It is having two terms, but 3a plus 7a is equal to, if we add it, we can add this 3a and 7a, 10a. So this is 10a, so it is not monomial. Here we can write 3a plus 7a is equal to 10a, which it becomes monomial. To see it is binomial, but after solving, we get only monomial. Here a and b are different terms. We cannot add them. A and b we cannot add. 2 apple and 3 apple we can add. 5 apples we can say. But 2 apples and 3 mangoes, we cannot say 5 apple mangoes. So this is the result. Only two terms, binomial. If 3 terms, 2x plus 5y plus z, it is having 3 terms. So it is called trinomial. Tri means tri means. Definition you can write now. An algebraic expression contains 3 terms, each called trinomial. In place of binomial, write trinomial, but in place of 2, write 3. If 1 term, monomial, 2 terms, binomial, 3 terms, trinomial. So its example: a plus b minus 2, x square plus y square minus z. All these are the trinomials, and in general they are called as polynomials. Monomial is polynomial, binomial is polynomial, and trinomial is also polynomial. In general, a polynomial contains 1 term, it is special type monomial. A polynomial contains 2 terms, it is binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. 4 terms, we can say it is a tetranomial. polynomial with terms 4. You can say like this. Now, let us have some examples. 3a and 4a minus x square y and y x square. P cube q square r and q square r and p cube. If you observe it, their coefficients may be different. 3 and 4. Here minus 1, say here 2. So 2, minus 1 and 2 different. Here say 10, p cube q square r and q square r p cube. Different. But see the variables. Variable has common, same variable, and their power is also same. Power, exponent, power is 1, power is 1. Here two variables, x and y. The power of x is 2. Here also power of x is 2. Power of y is 1, y is 1. In this case, there are three variables, p, q, r. Q, r, p, q, r, same. Power of p is 3. Power of p is 3. It is written in another order, but it doesn't matter because we have seen the property, commutativity. We can write a into b into c as b into c into a, or a into c into b, or a into b is equal to b into a, or whatever may be. But the product is the same. Power of p is 3. P is 3. Power of q is 2. R is 1. So such type of algebraic expressions are monomials, are called like terms. Like terms. And how will you define them? The terms having same variable with their powers same. Each called or are called like terms. Whereas 3a and 4b, different variables. This minus x square y and x y square, variables are same, but the powers are different. Here power of x is 2, here x is 1. Power of y is 1, x is 2. Minus 10 p cube q square r and p q square r. R, if you write only simply r, it doesn't matter. So power is different. Power of p is different. Q is same, but r is again different. So such type of terms are called unlike terms. You can define it, the terms having different variable is called, or different variable and different powers. It's called unlike terms. Or simply you can say the terms which are not like. The terms which are not like terms. First we have to check whether they are like terms or not. If they are not like terms, they are unlike terms. Unlike terms. Okay. Now, here is one example. Write two like terms and two unlike terms are 3AB like terms. How will you write? 3AB like terms, 4AB minus 10BA, 10BA and so on. Unlike terms, variables will be different. 3CA minus 10 BC. So these are the unlike terms. So this is the basic idea about algebraic expressions.